Hey guys, how's it going? How to troubleshoot ChatGPT network errors. So next, check internet connection. Make sure that you have stable and fast internet connection. Alright. Next, what you gotta do, refresh the page if you're using browser. Reload the chat page to clear temporary glitches. If you're using the app ChatGPT, make sure that you clear the cache by going to the settings and the general iPhone storage, and then try to pin down ChatGPT. So I'm gonna try to pin down ChatGPT. Yeah, click right in, and then upload the app, and that will free up some storage within the app. Next, if you're still facing that issue, stay on the general and disable VPN or any proxy network. Sometimes VPNs or proxies can cause an issue, right? Next, what you're gonna do, make sure that if you are using the app, make sure that you use the browser or your website or the OpenAI website to check if the problem isn't from the app. Okay, and these steps should help you fix most network issues. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.